Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a pot roast supreme. Pot roast supreme? Does that mean we're smoking? Ooh, yeah. The good stuff. Tonight I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a pot roast supreme. Here's all the stuff. Let's at it. Okay, tonight's Soffritto is going to be pretty easy. Anise or fennel, onions and carrots, of course, and garlic later on. And then, of course, you see in the front, we got our aromatics, our lemon lime, and our usual suspects. So you wash it thoroughly, cut one of the ends off, half it, and then all the way up. Pretty simple. Got to have everything ready to go. Garlic, of course, is primary in, any fare. So here it is. Chop, 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 chop. All right. We're searing the beef now, and we're going to get ready to make a nice quick stock like we did on our Cajun chicken. And you got to sear it good, not over, not under, you know.
Okay, here's that. Very nice. Nicely seared. Look at that. Incredible. Okay, here we go. We got that up. Turn that thing up. Now we're going to get some spring water because you don't want to use tap water on this unless you're in Vermont and that's what you got.
And get that to a roaring boil. Let it reduce a little. Throw your wine in, red wine, and then let that reduce a little, and then get it ready for your mason jar. Okay, olive oil, butter. First things first, swirl it around, garlic. Oh yeah. And then of course we're gonna finish it off with the Soffritto. First the onions, get your beef stock ready. And the carrots, and then of course the anise, and then moving on. A friend of mine, she taught me how to use sauerkraut in a pot roast, and it somehow takes the anise or fennel and mellows it out a lot. Not a lie. All right, let it cook down, throw in your melanzane, and then get it ready for the next. We're going to be spicing this up with pink peppercorns and hibiscus flowers. Okay, speed it up a little. We're going to be stirring around those beautiful spices, make it smell all nice. Add your beef stock to it. And then, of course, you want that to get hot, so keep it hot. And then we're going to put in the aromatics of rosemary and thyme, put the beef on top of it, sink it down a little. Looking good. Yep, bring it up. And then, of course, add your wine, add your water, get it ready to cover, and then get it warmer and let it go into the oven. Now, I'm using my stone so that the heat distribution is perfect. Anywho, in the oven, just above 300 for 2.5 hours. And after 2.5 hours, you're going to pull it out of the oven, give it a little look-see, and then you're going to flip the beef, and then back into the oven for another 2.5 hours.
Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, let's put... Okay, look at this stuff. It's coming apart. It's all good, ready to go. It's very nice. Okay.
And of course, you know how I like things. I love my bed of greens. Anyways, this is arugula with lemon and lime. And then we're gonna put the beef on top of that. Look at that beautiful pot roast. And then of course, ragu, ragu, ragu all around with some raw red bell peppers. And then, of course, garlic. Our side dish today is a Khorasan wheat, which is the traditional grain of Egypt. Takes a long time to cook, and I guess I'll have to do a class on that later. Anyways, lemon, salt, an absolutely wonderful addition to this pot roast.
And of course, like any beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of meat, this just comes apart. And look how beautiful it is inside. Oh, and it smells so delicious. See? Yum, yum, yum. Smooth as glass. All right, that's it.
Who says pot roast isn't easy to cook? It's very easy to cook. You just need to take your time and do it right. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.